Service, FBI, Jose Francisco Balbino, Investigation and Security Agency.
Next.
Number 2, PNP CSG, Philippine National Police Civil Security Group.
Tandaan. Double time. Number 3.
Number 3, PNP SOSIA, Philippine National Police Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agency.
Isa pa.
PNP SOSIA, Philippine National Police Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agency.
O, yun na. Ibig sabihin ng sosya. Next.
PADPAO, Philippine Association of Detective and Protective Agency Operators.
Very good. Next. Move.
Number 5, RTO, License to Operate.
Yun na. LTO ha. Ibig sabihin ha.
Number 6,
DOD, Guard on Duty.
O, next.
Number 7, POD, Days of Duty.
Okay. Tandaan niyo yan ha. Mamaya may exam tayo.
Number 8, DOD, Date of Duty.
DOD, date of duty.
Number 9.
Nine.
Number 9, TOD,
Banga.
Tour of Duty.
Ano? Tor? Okay, Tor. Go.
Number 10, DDO, Duty Details Order.
Tapusin mo na yan. Ano susunod?
BTR, Delay Time Record.
Okay, ano pa?
PDS, Personal Data Sheet.
Personal data raw ha.
SBR, Special Bank Sheet. PDR, Food Duty Responsibilities. EOR, Area of Responsibilities. SG, Security Guard. LG, Daily Guard. SIC, Chief in Charge. OIC, Officer in Charge. TC, Detachment Commander.
Very good.